Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to assign Bixby to the power button on your Samsung Galaxy A27. In order to do it, you will need to get to the settings. Then you'll find advanced features as you scroll down a little bit, and you'll find side button. Now select long press and it can be assigned to power off menu, which means when you press and hold, it opens power off menu. It can also be assigned to digital assistant, which means when you press and hold, it opens Google Gemini. But when you press and hold on power and volume down, then it will open the power off menu. And when you assign it to Bixby, you can press and hold to open the Bixby assistant. I'll need to set it up because I haven't used it yet. Okay, now you can see the Bixby is on, and you can now use it as your digital assistant and still access the power off menu by pressing and holding on power and volume down. And that would be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.